all are doing well. Today we will start our new chapter 2, greediness of King Midas, है ना, King Midas का लालच. Okay, so now look here. Can you see this picture, students? Yes, he is King Midas and his palace. Okay, ये उसका पैलेस है ना, यह उसका महल है और यह है किंग मिदास, है ना, जो क्या था, बहुत ही ग्रीडी किंग था. ओके, चलिए हम इसके बारे में पढ़ते हैं स्टोरी. ओके, मैनी ईयर्स एगो देयर लिव्ड अ किंग नेम्ड मिदास. ही वॉज ग्रीडी किंग मिदास वॉज वेरी रिच. ओके, सो ग्रीडी मीन्स a person who has hunger to get more and more. Okay, जो बहुत ही लालची होता है उसके लिए ग्रीडी वर्ड यूज किया जाता है. ओके, ही वॉज सैड दैट ही हैड मोर गोल्ड देन एनी अदर किंग इन द वर्ल्ड. वन रूम ऑफ हिज ग्रेट कैसल वॉज ऑलमोस्ट filled with yellow gold pieces, but he wanted to become more and more rich. He always thought of getting more wealth. Even in dreams, he begged for gold and silver. King Midas had one little daughter whose name was Marigold. Okay. Next, at last the king grew so fond of his gold that he loved it more than anything else in all the world. He even loved it more than his own little daughter. One day, while he was in his gold room counting his money, a beautiful fairy stood before him. Midas saw the fairy coming towards him. Midas asked her, "Who are you? Why have you come here?" The fairy said, "Midas, I have come to congratulate you because you are the richest king in the world. Okay. There is no king who has so much gold as you have." "That may be," said the king. "As you see, I have this room full of gold, but I should like much more, for gold is the best and the most wonderful things in the world." "Are you sure?" asked the fairy. "I am very sure. I want to get more and more gold," answered the king. "Would you ask for more gold if I should grant you one wish?" asked the fairy. "If I could have but one wish," said the king, "I would ask that everything I touch should turn to beautiful gold." The fairy said, "Your wish shall be granted. At sunrise tomorrow morning, your slightest touch will turn everything into gold, but I warn you that your wish will not make you happy." Midas replied, "I will take the risk." Then next page, after that fairy disappeared. The next day King Midas awoke very early. He was eager to see if the fairy's promise had come true. He tried to test the gift by touching the bed with his hand. The bed turned into gold. He touched his clothes instantly and they turned into gold. The king was very much surprised and was filled with joy. He ran around the room touching everything he could see: chair, table, almirah, door, window, etc. Everything had turned into gold. Midas thought, "Now I will surely become the richest man of the world." The king soon felt hungry and went down to eat his breakfast. Now a strange thing happened when he raised a glass of clear cold water to drink. It turned into liquid gold as soon as he picked up an apple to eat. It turned into golden apple. Whatever he touched, it turned into gold before he could eat it or drink it. He was feeling very hungry. All was gold, gold, gold. His little daughter came running in from the garden. Of all living creatures, she was dearest to him. But as soon as the king touched her, the little girl was changed into a golden statue. She was no more alive. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, जो हमने ये 3 पेजेस हमने रीड किए हैं, आप इसे अच्छे से फिर से एक बार रीड कीजिएगा. ओके, सो नाउ योर होमवर्क फॉर टुडे. ओके, ये 3 पेजेस आप अच्छे से रीड करेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ओके, बाय बाय, हैव अ गुड डे.